Hey everybody, just want to show you a really easy recipe that a lot of people think is so complicated and they just don't make it. Shrimp scampi. Yep. So I am cooking for my husband and I'm making, I believe there are 18 shrimp. So these are shrimp that we got from Costco. These are 1620, so they're the really big ones. You can see how fast these are cooking. All I did, super simple recipe, was melt a half a pound of butter, added garlic. You can add fresh garlic or jarred garlic, any kind of garlic of your choice, and some pepper. Melted the garlic and in the butter, added the shrimp, and here we are to a delicious shrimp scampi. It's amazing. So good. You can even add a splash of lime or lemon to it to make it have a little bit of a tangy flavor. I just prefer it this way without the lime or lemon, but my husband makes it sometime that way and it's really good. There you go. They cook pretty quickly. I'm using a cast iron skillet. It's cooking very quickly. I have spinach in the microwave, rice in the Instapot right here. That is done. In fact, let's look at the rice. So rice in the Instapot. So I don't use the rice function button, which is right there. Okay. My husband found online that if you just pressure can it for 5 minutes, you push the pressure cook and it'll go automatically for 5 minutes. That's the default. And you just hit keep warm and it'll cook. It comes out perfect. So let's see. Let's open it. Oh, perfect rice. Perfect rice, you guys. Perfect rice. So good and so easy. So I'm going to put this down while keeping an eye on our shrimp. That is probably just about done. I'm going to turn off the gas and just let these simmer on here. And that's all that there is to. That's it. Oh, there's one that's not really cooked. Okay, so move this around. It's not cooking evenly on my stove. Cast iron's wonderful. Stove is not. So if you guys want to try this, please do, and let me know what you guys think, okay? Delicious. Don't overcook your shrimp. Make it tender. There we go. Okay, enjoy, guys. Thanks.